Hello guys, I wanna share with you what I did in the scenario 1 using the 5 steps. I've told you lots of time that you shouldn't skip your classes. You know that you can spend time with your friends after your classes are done at the school, and that you can only use the money from your account by asking me first for permission. It puts me in bad mood. Imagine if the police got you with those airsoft pistols that you bought with that money, so we will be in trouble. If you are done with your classes, you know that I can give you time to play with your friends at home. Besides, you can call me, and you know that you can call me at work asking me when you need something. I decide to grant you for a week, starting today. That means that you cannot visit your friends during this week. Also, I'm gonna block your account so you cannot withdraw money during this week. So if you need money, you should tell me why you need it. I know you probably just follow this time, but it is important that you remember this the next time. You are usually so good about everything, and you know that. From now on, I expect that you can avoid skipping your classes and using the money when you want.